Hey, my friend. This is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press. Now, I don't know about you, but with the growing prices of everything these days, I'm all about trying to maximize my money on things that I'm already purchasing, I can use it for more than what I'm currently doing. One of the tools that I've been using for years now is Creative Fabrica. You probably heard me talk about it. I love them for finding cute fonts and graphics. But today I wanted to highlight something else that you can use Creative Fabrica for. Whether you're a crafter, whether you're just somebody who's looking, you're a digital product seller, or you're just simply looking to learn a new skill. One of the things that I don't think that we talk much about is Creative Fabrica's classes. When you go here, like I said, I've been using Creative Fabrica, I think, since about 2019. And when I first started using it, I think I paid around $19 a month. They currently have you can get a full year subscription to the site that gives you access to everything for $47. That breaks down to just $3.99 per month. And this month's promotion, when you subscribe or add a year to your subscription, you also could get access to win some craft machine prizes. But like I said, I wanted to take a let's look at what else is on Creative Fabrica beyond the fonts, beyond the graphics. Let's look at Learn. If you see across here, there's a lot of different things. But today, let's look at Learn. Okay, they have a blog, but they also have video classes. This is just some of the classifications they have. They have cricket classes, classes on graphic design, classes on illustrating, printing and sublimation, organizing and planning, Etsy, paper crafting, business, embroidery, seasonal, resin, sewing, crochet, macrame, painting, clays, candles and soap, scrapbooking, home decor, jewelry making, die cutting, woodworking. I mean, they have a lot of different classes, and it's a perfect spot if you're looking to enhance your skills or you're looking to learn something new. And if you are a subscriber, it's all included in your membership. They do have some free classes. So if you're not someone who subscribed, there are some free classes. But like I say, if you're a member, you get access to everything. These are once you subscribe to classes, you'll see enrolled classes. So there's some classes that I've enrolled in. I haven't taken all of them, but those that I have, have been really interesting. And these classes are all from other solopreneurs and crafters just like you. And when you go down, you'll see popular classes. So you'll see some of the popular things is how to set up an Etsy shop, using Procreate. I love Procreate. It's one of my favorite tools, to kind of relax and unwind. Um, there's lots of different things here. Um, you can also see what their latest editions of classes are. So you see some of their latest editions is really focusing on a Creative Fabrica Studio, which is another tool that you can use that's something besides just the graphics and the fonts. Um, okay, so let's dive in and look more into the popular classes. And you'll see across here, you can click on this and this can narrow down your search if there's a particular topic that you're interested in. You can sort by popularity, which this is what this is, or you can sort by latest. So if you want to see what the latest classes are, you change that. Okay, and look like we have some rustic farmhouse, a spring egg centerpiece, gel plate printing for beginners, um, explanation on what's the difference in DTF versus UVDTF. These are some of the newer classes. They have stuff on creating stickers with scan and cut, generating passive income by selling products on Etsy, creating print-on-demand sites using WordPress. So as you can see, there's lots of different things here. They even have some cake decorating. Back in the day, I used to enjoy decorating cakes, and they have some courses on that. Um, there's really some of everything here. And I would encourage you, if you already have a subscription, to go over to that Learn tab, go down to the video classes, and just explore. And if there's something that you're interested in learning how to do, go and see if there's a class that's already on Creative Fabrica that might could help you. And like I say, they do have some free classes. So if you don't have a subscription, you can actually do a search for the free classes and see what's available. But if you are a subscriber, you can just access these things as part of your subscription. And this is just another cool feature that I wanted to highlight with Creative Fabrica. And I'll leave my I do use it, and I'm someone who, if you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave my affiliate link, which means if you make any purchases, I may earn a commission at no additional charge to you. But like I say, this is a site that I've been using since 2019. And I just wanted to explore other ways to use it and thought you might find it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.